If you're running a small business and your business isn't making money, or maybe you have a lot of personal debts, but your business is making some money, or sometimes maybe you took out a lot of debt to get the business started and can't afford to pay all that back, but the business without the debt would be making enough money to grow and support yourself. In those situations, it's really hard to know, well, should the business file bankruptcy or should I? And you know what? That's really a choice for a lawyer. What I find is most of the time it's actually best to file a personal bankruptcy and list the business as an asset and claim the business as exempt. Exempt means you get to keep it throughout bankruptcy, and by and large, the laws in bankruptcy about what you can keep are pretty generous, especially for business. There's a strong exemption for tools of the trade, and which protects your anything you use. It's not only hand tools, it can be computers and websites, even farm animals and tractors and that sort of thing are protected from creditors in bankruptcy. It's tempting to want to file a business bankruptcy because if you look at the debts, they were taken out to support the business, but usually creditors and companies that lend money and suppliers and vendors and all those sorts of people that every business has and that every business owes money to, they make every business person, every entrepreneur, everyone who owns a business sign something called a personal guarantee. So that means that if only the business files bankruptcy, the owner still owes all the money. A personal guarantee is a little piece of a contract that says, okay, in the event the business, like the LLC or the corporation doesn't pay back the money, then the owner still owes 100% of the money. Which means if only the business files bankruptcy, then the owner still owes 100% of it, so you don't get your goal out of it. But instead, if the owner files personal bankruptcy and claims the business as an asset and claims it exempt, then usually the way it works is all the debts are gone, the owner doesn't owe them anymore, and you can keep operating the business, keep the equipment you need to make the business profitable, and move forward in life and climb up the value chain.